Hey everybody, Chris here, and that is what we're going to go over today in this lesson. How are you guys doing? So Malagueñas actually starts, in my arrangement of Malagueñas, I started with this melody, okay? And even though it's at the start, I like to teach it later, as you've seen. Hopefully you've gone through the other lessons and you're ready to do this. In my opinion, this is another technical level, okay? So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to learn a new chord, okay? We're going to do this E major, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to take your third finger and you're going to move it to the third fret of the fourth string, okay? This ends up being a flat 9. So you're doing an E with a flat 9, okay? Then what we're going to do is we're going to take our pinky and put it on the third fret of the second string. And that, now we're having an E7 with a flat 9 because it's the seventh, the dominant 7. All right, so get used to that chord. Cool. So what makes this particular intro hard is that you're combining the picado technique with the thumb technique. So what we're going to do, and holding our fret hand down, that's the other thing. So we're going to be doing this. We're going to start on the second string, and you're going to go 0, 1, 3. However, when you hit that 3, you have to put your first finger back on the first fret of the third string, and it has to stay in time, and you're going to hit this with your thumb. So picado, thumb, and now you complete that melody with your thumb. Just try that. A quick alert. hazard. Your thumb, pre-place it, okay? Meaning, have it there. Do not go from the air, okay? If you go from the air, you're running a risk because you're going against the grain of your nail. And especially if you have reinforced nails, your nail is less likely to break. So it's more likely to pull away from the bed of your finger, okay? So that's not good. So you want to pre-place that thumb. And then when you strum through, you end on that second string. You're completing this melody. And you stop, okay? You do that twice. 3 times. A minor, you stop on that second string, you play through that second string, and then you're going to go back to that E with the add 9, but no 7, yeah? Because you want to hear it. Okay, but now you're doing this chords. Alright, so that's the section 1. Now, you leave this chord here, you're going to move your second finger, and you're going to play the third string with your picado, first fret, second fret, and now you're going to replace this to do that E with the add 9. A minor, back to that E with the add 9. Add flat 9, sorry. Okay? So that second melody is... I want you to leave your third finger there. So you're hearing. That's the melody you want to hear. So you have to watch that thumb. And it's only going to that second string the entire time. You only play through that second string. So from the very beginning. So for the information on the picado, I've already done an intro to picado so you can get familiar with that technique. We've already used our pulgar, our thumb, and so you should be familiar with that. We've talked about the timing of it, okay? So it's super important that when you do this, that I start this strum, this sweep, before the downbeat, because this has to end on the downbeat. It has to go like this. Okay? So you have to start that soon, early, okay? So there you have it. We have that whole section now. You're going to do that twice in a row. If you have any questions at all, let me know. Put that down in the comment section. I actually read the comments. I'll do my best to answer any questions for you. Watch the other Malagueñas videos. I have lots of other great videos besides that, but watch the other Malagueñas videos if you like the Malagueñas, and you'll have all these sections, and then you'll be able to create your own arrangement. I'm going to have a suggested arrangement later, and there's going to be another Malagueñas tips next week. I'll release that, so be on the lookout for that. I also want to let you know that I have tabs and a full lesson plan available for this lesson and other lessons too for all of my Patreon subscribers. So please consider doing that. And I'm also on Instagram, so feel free to catch me on Instagram too. So all that's in the link below. And last thing, please subscribe. Please hit the notifications button because we've got lots more cool content coming up real soon. And let me know if you have any questions. Enjoy the work. I want to hear this. I want to hear you play this. Okay. Very good. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a great day. Practice, practice, practice. Bye-bye.